Good morning investors, my name is Will from the KOSEC dealing team. The day is Monday the 20th of May and here is your pre-market wrap. Friday saw the ASX 200 hit an 11-year high at the open, and it was fueled by a fairly conclusive belief that due to unemployment data there would indeed be a rate cut this year and it could happen quite quickly. There was broad-based buying of the index and the majority of sectors finished higher. The ASX 200 closed up 0.6% at 6,365, which was a movement of 37.5 points to the north. Despite being a choppy week that was plagued by trade tensions and tweets from the tariff man, Donald Trump, and a looming federal election, the ASX managed to appreciate 0.8% over the week. On Friday, $6.7 billion worth of shares were traded, 641 stocks finished higher, 461 finished weaker, and 430 finished unchanged. The top performers for the day were Sura Resources, which moved up 8.2%. Fortescue Metals share prices also spiked off the surge in iron ore prices, which was increased by Chinese demand and a rumour that there could be difficulties with the Brownlie Dam. Fortescue Metal closed 6.5% higher. Reliance Worldwide also rebounded from a severe drop earlier the week, jumping up over 5%. On the other hand, the worst performance for the day was St Barbara after completing its capital raising for the acquisition of another gold mining operation. The stock fell over 12%. Flexi Group also took a little breather after an impressive run-up and dropped 4.8%, and ANZ Bank fell 3% after it traded ex-dividend this week. Taking a look at the broader Asian Pacific region, and once again it is apparent that the Australian index is outperforming the rest of our peers. The Hang Seng and Shanghai both fell 1.16 and 2.48%, and the Nikkei rose 0.89%. Europe saw a softer day as Brexit talks collapsed yet again and trade fears dampened investor optimism. All of the major indices were down, but not nearly as much as was anticipated. The German DAX fell 0.58% and the FTSE and the French CAC fell only 0.07 and 0.18% respectively. The US opened higher and spent some of the day trading in positive territory. However, after an announcement that the US-China trade talks had stalled, all three of the major indices sold off in the final hour of trade. The Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq fell 0.38, 0.58 and 1.04% respectively. Taking a look at the commodity space now, oil was softer with Brent and WTI falling 0.56 and 0.17% to 72 and 63 US a barrel. Gold softened by 0.82% to 12.75 US an ounce. Natural gas dropped and copper fell by 1.2%. The US bond yields sit at 2.39% for the 10-year and 2.19% for the 2-year. One Australian dollar is currently buying 0.6927 US cents, and our SPY futures are indicating a mildly positive start with a rise of 5 points at the open. If you have any questions about this or any of the other day's trade, please feel free to place a call through to myself or anyone from the KOSEC dealing team, and we'd be more than happy to help out in any way we can. Thanks and have a great day.